I got my glue stick. It's in the gun. I long press this. It's flashing. It's going to heat up. Tell me when I'm ready. I got this trigger here. It's going to melt. I need to simply protect this area. And I want to put a little glue here. The wires like so. So I am going to press the button. So there's the glue coming out. It's taking its time. And I feel the machine starting to heat. There's the yellow light giving me my okay. Here comes the glue automatically pumping. Here we go. I'm going to put the glue here. And the glue here. Now I'm going to put the glue over here. We're looking at a 10-watt glue gun. This is a USB powered glue gun. It warms up, heats up the glue, and melts it automatically for you. Let's open up the package, show you what you get inside the box. An instruction guide, glue sticks to keep you busy gluing your hobbies, crafts, and so forth. Not one, but 2 packages. The glue gun, the push button automatic feed, the on and off button that lights up red flashing, and a yellow, and a USB charging area, and an area to put your glue stick in. We plug in our glue gun for the first time. We're gonna let it charge. It shows a red light and it's charging. When it's finished, the light may turn off or change a different color. I have to do a battery and I have to do a light, and I want to put in a glue stick. I simply find the hole, I push it in all the way, I long press the button till the light flashes. I let the gun sit until it warms up. With the instruction guide, it gives you some information about your glue gun. We change colors. We have a button that you can simply peel off the sticker. All we need to do is just grab the gun. And I want to basically close up the holes here and there. I'm going to long press on the stick. You feel it vibrating. And it's heating up the glue. And it's going to press out as you see. We're going to just disperse some glue to show you the amount of time it takes the glue to come out. When all done, simply just let go. Glue guns are great for hobbies. The glue dries pretty quick, as you can see right here. The glue is nice and rubbery. It's got a nice feel to it. And it will harden over a number of minutes when it allows to cool down. If you're looking for your hobby to do certain things, this glue gun may be right for you. I hope this is a product that you're looking for your hobby needs. Enjoy your product. Thank you for viewing.